Hey guys, JC here. Hope you enjoy these clips of my first time off-roading with a Cayenne. Alright, first time off-roading with the boys. I'm gonna sit this one out though. Everybody's got like bigger tires than me. There's someone there.
Actually, I don't know if he's making it over the middle.
Hopefully he's not stuck. Are you spotting him at all or just letting him go for it? Jeez.
Alright, go straight. Go straight. Straight.
Are you in low?
No, it's already spinning. It's open diff already.
Are you in low?
Yeah, but you don't have lockers, right?
He's got center diff lock.
No, you're in low. You're spinning.
So back up and bump it. Yeah.
Break something.
Your mom.
Uh-oh. Oh, that's his rub. That's his rub. All right, next up, we got Chris. Straight up. Yeah, lots of clearance. Up, up, up. Up. You got it. Yeah, you can go driver. Yep. Straight. What happened?
His seat warmer was on.
Oh. Straight. Yep. Passenger. Passenger. Straight. Straight. Yeah, you're good. Keep going. Yep, keep working. Nice. Okay, passenger. Passenger. All right, straight, straight, straight down. Straight down, Chris. Yeah, you're good. Yep, straight down. Hey, driver, driver. Yeah, straight down. Driver, 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 driver. Yep. Passenger. Good. All right, all the way down. You're good. Nice. Yo, what a G. You went from the right. What a show off, bro. What a guy. All right, center lock this time. You're good. Yeah. 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 I put him in center lock. You good. Now you know. Up. Up. Okay. This way, this way. Passenger. Yeah. No, 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 no. Driver, driver. Straight. Straight. Yeah, up. Come up. Yeah, up. Gas. Sport mode. You're not hung up on anything.
Would I hit this?
No, you've got a skid plate.
You got enough ground clearance
Yeah,
to clear that?
yeah.
Let's try it.
Let's try it. Yo.
Let's go straight down. You gotta bump it.
Bump it, yep.
You gotta like give it some gas, like back up and give it some gas and bump it. Alright. Go back. Alright, stop.
Gas.
You're driving 2 feet, okay? So, alright, get a gas, hard gas, hard gas. Hard gas up to it. Go back. This is too much. Just look at the picture. Go back. Alright, now, give a hard gas going up.
Oh, 3-wheel. Well, technically, he hasn't aired down either. Passenger.
I don't know about that one.
Yeah, back up. Passenger. Passenger. Yeah. Up. No. What if? Back up. Back up. Back up. All right, go driver. Yeah, like that. Okay, passenger. Yep. Okay, straight. Yeah. Go passenger. Okay, giver. Okay, now go driver. Yeah, straight. Straight. Floor it. That's it. Yep, you're past it. All right, there you go. Hold on, don't kill me, Jeff. Look. All right, driver. Driver. Okay, back up a few and then bump it, driver. Nice. Okay. Go passenger. Okay, bump it. Okay, just straight, straight. Nice. Okay, straight down. No, straight. Okay, yeah, this side. Yep. Passenger, passenger. Oops, there's a big rock. Just go straight for now. Straight. Forward. Okay, passenger. Yep, down. Yep, go down. Watch out, driver, driver, driver. Yep. Yep, down. Down. Yeah, you're good. You've cleared it. Yeah, you're good. Driver, 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 driver. Back up, back up. Try to back up. Okay, go driver. Yep, driver all the way. Right there, driver. Yep. Yeah, you're good. You're clear it. Okay, now passenger. Passenger all the way. Hey, mom. I'm sorry, I can't say that on stream. Yeah, boy. Look at this Jeep go, bro. You never took my video.
I pressed record.
Bro, it didn't save. I hate you. That was like the one baby one that I made. And like, you're gonna have to do it like later.
We're gonna do it again.
Bust out the max tracks. Bust out the max tracks.
Oh, I'm ripping the flares off.
Oh, shoot. That's no bueno.
Oh, God. Holy shit. He's a tux though.
Yeah, at least it tucks. Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, let me take a picture. I'll send it to you. Hold on. You gonna spot him? Come on, boy. Do it for Germany. Bump it. Yeah. That's it. Ouch.
Hey, my rock sliders work.
Yep.
I'll show you so I can go that way. Nice.
And there's so many flies in the.
There's so many flies in my car right now.
All right, one more.
Same.
Straight. Go straight.
Straight.
What is bro trying to do?
Are you on center? Yo, Jaffler, are you on center lock?
Yeah.
You are?
These are altering. Got one straight. Bump it up. Yeah, but I'm gonna hit this tree. You're not gonna make it. No.
Sounds like that sounds like a.
Jesus Christ, Jeff, listen. Good.
Bro's literally now stuck. Bro is now stuck. Go to the other again, Jasper.
Yo, ain't nothing to it. Oh, watch out. Yo, what are you doing? Watch out. You're on a big stump right now. Big stump right now. You're on a big stump right now. Rear passenger. Go forward. There you go. You're good. That's what happened to me too. Careful, tree. Nice. So everybody try to accept me. I want 33s before I do it. Maybe air down. Oh, cake. This is cake for Josh.
Come on. Get out.
He just went up a boulder. Oh, he's doing it for the gram. Look at that. That's wild. You're cool.
Yeah? Yeah. Alright, which way am I going? I don't know. Which way is he going? Which way is he going? I would go left. Go left? Yeah. Alright. Stop turning. Alright, stop. Now you're fucked. Straight out. Now straight the other way. Yeah. Now back up. Cut it, all the way, cut it. No, other way. Cut it. Yeah, pat it. There you go. Go. Alright. Are we going this way? I'll try to do a little Yui. You're not. Is it hard?
He's gonna get stuck there. Over there?
Well, there's a Yui here, but. Okay, just try to go that way then. Can I come down here? Go. Yeah. No. Yeah, go down there and go right. Keep it, always go right. There you go. Yeah, boy! Little baby one. Nice, baby, put it in! Go straight. right, just watch out. Like it's nothing. Oh, Christoph's here. Oh, you're good. That was nothing. Don't worry about it.
Wait, is this where the Woodman's is?
Isn't it ironic that the Lexus brakes, but the Porsche doesn't?
Yeah, I don't wanna jinx it, dude. I don't wanna jinx it, because so far he's got that going on. You got the headlight. You got the headlight. So passenger headlight. Oh, now the driver's side headlight turned off too. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. So I'm just not gonna say anything, you know. So there you go. We all made it out except for Josh. We ended up having to tow the Land Cruiser to the trail entrance, and I ended up dropping him off at his shop so he could get his tow truck and grab his car. He seems to think that it's a fuel pump that hasn't been changed in like 300,000 miles or whatever. So please do like this video, leave a comment on what you think could help us with our driving habits or what mods we should do next. My car, I'll do a little walk around in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, peace.